Learn the rules like a pro so that you can tweak them like an artist. This is a tweaked version of a famous quote by Pablo Picasso. It is as applicable to money management as to any other field or any other game. How, you might ask? Well, just start treating money management as a game, learn the rules, and tweak them to your advantage. Now, before going on to what are the rules of money management, in first part of the video, I would discuss few of the common problems related to money management that are being faced by people. In the second part, I would be telling you about the ideal situation as far as the personal finance is concerned. And lastly, I would be giving you a link following which you can download a 20-page ebook containing various rules of money management and personal finance. My name is Jiten Modi, son of a driver, born and brought up in typical Indian village, a brilliant student at academics, a cricket fanatic, once a corporate zombie and a pathetic money manager, turned into a personal finance strategist on a mission to help 1 million families make their money work harder and live a zero stress financial life. First part of the video that I promised you to discuss is that of common problems being faced by people as far as money management and personal finance is concerned. Throughout my career, I have faced so many numbers of people, and I have interacted with so many people discussing their problems related to money management and personal finance. And I have categorized all the problems into 6 categories. First, income. Most of the people feel that they are not earning enough, not enough to maintain their lifestyle or save for or to save for their future needs. Generally, their perception is that they are not earning enough. The second category of problem is related to spending. People feel that they are spending too much. Maybe it is in comparison to what they are earning, but generally people think that they are spending too much. The third and fourth problem are uh, more a result of the combination of first and second problem. See, if you are not earning enough and you are spending too much, then obviously you are going to be in debt. So managing their debt prudently is the third category of problems that people are facing. Just like being in debt or debt management, not saving enough for the future is also a result of not earning enough and spending too much. So this is the fourth category of problem that people are facing, not saving enough for the future. The fifth category of problems is that of return on investment. Many people feel that they are not getting optimum returns on their investment, whether it is in comparison to their expectation or what the market return is over that period of time, or in comparison to other people, what other people are earning or getting the returns, but they feel that they are not getting enough returns on their investment. And the last category of problems is that of uncertainties of life. Just like the recent COVID-19 pandemic led lockdown, there are certain events which are not beyond your control and which are unpredictable in nature, and as a result of these events which are not in your control, your personal finance and money management goes haywire. So this is all about the kind of problems that people are facing. Now, what is the ideal situation as far as your personal finance is concerned? See, the first part of income is concerned, I am of the opinion that you should be earning as much as possible by leveraging all the resources that are available to you. People generally focus on one resource to earn income. There are various resources available to you, leveraging which you can increase your income. As far as spending part is concerned, uh, spending should be in such a way judiciously so that you do not have to worry about the future, as well as you don't feel compromised for your present needs. So this is the golden nugget for spending. Uh, as far as returns on investment is concerned, you should invest your money and manage your money or manage your investment in such a way that you should be getting optimum risk adjusted return on your investment. And the unpredictability and uncontrollability of events that are part of our life is concerned, you need to plan your plan B or the protection plan in a way that come what may, you are prepared financially to deal with all these situations. So this is how uh, an ideal personal finance situation should look like. Now, as promised at the beginning of the video, I am mentioning the link through which you can download a 20-page ebook containing various rules related to money management. jitenmodi.co/rules guide. I repeat, jitenmodi.co/rules guide. That is JITENMODI.co/RULESGUIDE. I urge you to visit this link, download the guide, go through them, and apply as many rules as you can into your day-to-day money management and personal finance. If followed to the T, I am sure that it would change your money management forever and for better. Do let me know in the comments which one or two rules you are going to implement from today itself, and how it will it will be impacting your personal finance. Please comment. Stay tuned for further financial wisdom and stay blessed.